Welcome to English listening practice lesson. Today we will practice English together about topic my birthday party at a slow speed to improve your listening and speaking skills. Pay attention and listen carefully. A birthday is one of the most special days in a person's life. It is the day that marks another year of life and the beginning of new experiences. For me, my birthday is always an exciting time filled with joy, love, and celebration with my friends and family. A few weeks before my birthday, my parents asked me how I wanted to celebrate. I thought about having a big party with many people, but I decided to keep it small this year. I wanted to spend time with my closest friends and family in a relaxed and fun environment. So, we started planning for a small party at home. I felt excited thinking about how the day would turn out. We made a list of everything we needed, such as decorations, food, and the birthday cake. My mom and I went shopping to pick out colorful balloons, streamers, and banners. Next, we decided on the menu. My mom is a great cook and she asked me what my favorite foods were. We agreed on pizza, sandwiches, and snacks like chips and fruit salad. For dessert, we ordered a big chocolate cake from a bakery. The cake was decorated with superhero figures and bright colors. I couldn't wait to see it on the day of the party. Finally, the day of my birthday arrived. I woke up early, feeling excited and happy. My family wished me happy birthday as soon as I got out of bed, and my mom made a special breakfast for me. After breakfast, we started decorating the house. My dad helped me put up the superhero themed decorations. We filled the living room with balloons and streamers. My mom arranged the table with plates, cups, and napkins, all matching the theme. As the time for the party approached, I changed into my superhero costume. I decided to dress as Spider-Man, one of my favorite characters. My costume was red and blue with the famous spider logo on the chest. I felt like a real superhero and was eager to show my friends my outfit. Soon, my friends started arriving. After everyone arrived, we started playing games. My parents had prepared a few fun activities for us to enjoy. After all the games and activities, it was time for the most important part of the party, the birthday cake. My mom brought out the cake and everyone gathered around the table to sing happy birthday to me. The cake looked amazing with its superhero decorations and colorful icing. I felt so happy as I blew out the candles and made a wish. After that, we cut the cake and served it to everyone. The cake was delicious and I could tell that everyone enjoyed it. Along with the cake, we had some of the other snacks and drinks that my mom had prepared. The pizza and sandwiches were a hit with everyone, and we all sat around the table eating and chatting. It was nice to relax and spend time with my friends and family after all the excitement of the games. Once we finished eating, it was time to open the presents. My friends had brought thoughtful gifts, and I couldn't wait to see what they were. One by one, I opened the presents, and each one made me smile. I received books, toys, and even a few superhero action figures. My parents gave me a special present too, a new video game that I had been wanting for a long time. I was so grateful to everyone for their kindness and generosity. Opening the presents was one of the highlights of the party, and I thanked each of my friends for their gifts. As the party came to an end, my friends started to leave. We said our goodbyes, and I thanked them for coming to my birthday celebration. Before they left, my mom handed each of them a small party favor bag. The bags were filled with superhero themed goodies like stickers, small toys, and candy. My friends were happy to receive them, and I was glad that they had enjoyed the party as much as I had. After everyone left, I sat down with my family to talk about the day. We were all tired but happy. My parents told me that they were proud of how I had planned the party and how much fun everyone had. I thanked them for their help in making the day special, and I felt grateful for having such wonderful parents. In conclusion, my birthday party this year was one of the best experiences of my life. It was a day filled with laughter, games, and delicious food, but most importantly, it was a day filled with love and friendship. My parents, friends, and family helped make it an event I will always remember. I am grateful for such an amazing day, and I look forward to many more birthdays with the people I hold dear.